Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back. My name is Kim, and in this session we'll be practicing Kapalabhati Pranayama, which is also referred to as breath of fire. And Kapala in Sanskrit translates to skull, and Bhati translates to shining or illuminating. And there are many benefits of this practice. I'll list right here. One of the main benefits is improving the mental functioning of our brain. It's also great for clearing the sinuses. So if you're experiencing a runny nose or stuffy nose, this is great breath and practice to clear all that out, because we exhale through our nose and emphasizing. So I'll get more into how the breath works in just a little bit. Good times to practice this breath would be in the morning. You can practice also in the evening if you're having trouble sleeping. However, whenever you choose to practice this, practice on an empty stomach, because we emphasize the exhale through snapping the belly towards the spine. And so imagine doing that a number of times on a full stomach. Not the funnest. So empty stomach, no matter what time, but it again in the morning would be optimal to help set up our mental space for the day. Okay? And so how it works again is we exhale through the nose. The inhale is passive. We don't force any inhale. We don't do any of that. It's passive. So most of the effort and energy is exhaling through the belly. So the breath is through the belly, not the chest. So we push the belly in and then allow the inhale to come as it goes, or arrive after the exhale. So it should look and sound somewhat like this. And the emphasis is on the belly. So you'll focus on your belly, keeping the shoulders, the chest relaxed and at ease, the face as well. And depending on your practice, if you're new to the practice, I suggest starting slower with the pace, and also for a shorter period of time. And as you practice more, you'll be able to build upon that foundation. But again, just like with our asana practice or any other practice, you want to start at an easier pace and then build upon that to set yourself up for success. Because if we jump into things too soon, too fast, it may have adverse effects. So let's meet ourselves where we are, as we always say. So in this session, we'll do 3 rounds. The first round will go slower. We'll do about 30 breaths, about 30 seconds, so 1 second per breath. The second round will go slightly faster, but for around the same amount of time. And then the third round we'll do, again, the same quicker pace, but slightly longer section. As we progress, if you notice yourself getting lightheaded, go back to the previous pace, go slower, or take a break. And with all that said, let's begin our practice. Okay, find a comfortable seat. Either Padmasana, full lotus pose. You could do half Padma, or easy pose, Sukhasana. Rest your hands onto your knees, facing down. And then the gaze is either gently to the tip of the nose or closed, if that feels comfortable and safe. Eyes closed will help you become more inward with your breath. And let's take 3 cleansing rounds before we begin. Inhale, fill up belly, ribs, chest. Open your mouth, exhale. Again, inhale. Release, exhale. And last, in and out. And let's begin. Inhale halfway. Begin Kapalabhati. Exhale. stillness. Return to your normal breath, relax. And simply observe your body, your mental space. Notice what comes up. And allow yourself to settle after that first round. And we'll begin second round. Either go a little faster or stay at the same pace as the first round. And we begin, inhale halfway. And begin Kapalabhati. And relax the breath, let it go. Come back to normal breath in and out through your nose. And observe. Stay relaxed in the jaw, in the face, the eyes. Allow yourself to settle after that second round. And then prepare to begin for the third round. Same pace, but a little longer this time. So again, if you notice any dizziness, come back to the slower pace. So for the third round, let's begin. Inhale halfway. And begin Kapalabhati. And relax, release the breath. Come back to normal breath, in and out through your nose. And observe. Observe the body. Observe the mind. Observe the spirit. Allow your breath to settle back to its natural pace. Soften through the throat, the jaw, the eyes, the backs of the eyes. And tuck your chin to your chest. Gently blink your eyes open. And gaze up. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope you received what you need. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. Also, just leave a comment if you found this session helpful. And subscribe if you're not already. And I'll see you next time. Take care.